Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha Campbell, and I'm going to show you how I made the most adorable Love Heart Sweets necklace. Now, Love Heart Sweets are most definitely my childhood. They take me right back. So when I saw that we got this mold in the June Elves box, I was so happy. I'm actually using it in conjunction with this mold that I got from the May Elves box because I wanted them to actually look like real Love Heart Sweets. And that's the reason why I decided to go for some hard resin rather than the soft one, because obviously the Love Heart Sweets were a lot harder and crunchier back in the day. So I'm using the paint that we got to actually colour the resin. One thing that I will say is that when you are adding like paint or pigments, anything at all to your resin, if you find that you're having to add quite a bit of it, make sure that you do add in a little bit more resin just to kind of balance it out, because otherwise it might not cure properly. Now, I cured my hearts for about a minute. I am using quite a strong lamp though. My one's like 84 watts or something ridiculous like that. But if you have a 36 watt lamp, that should be absolutely fine. Maybe actually do it twice just to be sure. And what I then decided to do was to pour the pink resin into one of the circles from this mold and added in the heart, and it fit perfectly. So I was really pleased about that. Once that was cured, it was time to add in the details. I actually really enjoyed this part of the process because it gave it that real sort of sherbety feel. Like for me, it was very important that these sweets looked and felt like you just really wanted to eat them. Obviously, I don't condone eating these, but you know, I wanted them to look really realistic. And here, I just absolutely love how this bit here turned out. Just putting on a little bit of paint and then wiping it off. It means that the paint seeps into the grooves, and then just filling in the little outline there. It just made it look so real. Like I just wanted to eat them. So once I'd finished like playing around with these and just running them through my fingers and thoroughly enjoying the feel of these fake sweets, I then arranged them into the correct order, and I just dripped a little bit of UV resin into the gaps and just quickly flash cured it. Then I turned the whole thing over, put resin on the back and a couple of bales on each side, and then just added in some glitter because glitter, I don't care that hardly anybody's going to see it. I don't care about that. Glitter is life, okay? And you can even see it peeking through the little holes there, so you know, glitter matters, okay? Now, I absolutely love the way that this turned out, and I really hope that you do too, and I hope that you learned something from this video. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. And of course, do check out in the description box below, because there you will find some Sophie and Toffee discounts. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.